Let's get to the rental car center at the Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport. After landing in Phoenix, in order to get to the rental car center where all rental companies are located, which is about 2 miles away from the airport, we'll take the free 24-hour Phoenix SkyTrain. It's super easy. Trains stop at each terminal every few minutes. The train first stops at Terminal 4, then stops at Terminal 3, then the train stops at the 24th Street parking lot. But don't get off here if you're going all the way to the rental car center. The final stop is the rental car center. We'll start out with video footage finding the SkyTrain in Terminal 4, then Terminal 3. In both Terminals 3 and 4, we'll look for signs leading us to the PHX or Phoenix SkyTrain. Here's a view of the inside of Terminal 4, and as you can see, there are blue signs with white lettering hanging from the ceiling everywhere. To make sure we're headed in the right direction, let's consult the signs periodically by looking for the words PHX SkyTrain, like this sign has. We'll walk through the airport in real time to get you acclimated to the airport and the busyness, and eventually find the entrance to the Phoenix SkyTrain hallway in Terminal 4. The sign has the abbreviation PHX for the word Phoenix and the words SkyTrain on the wall. And here it is. Let's go down the hallway towards the train. The signs say that we are going towards the SkyTrain and the rental car center. This is the longest stretch of hallway that we will need to travel to get to the train. As we reach the end of the hallway, we come to an elevator on the left and an escalator to the right. We'll take the escalator. When we get to the top of the escalator, we come to the train platform. There are directions on the pole in the center of the platform. The sign says that the rental car center is stop number 3 and for us to take the train on the right side or north side of the platform. The train will stop at Terminal 3 first. If you are traveling to the rental car center from Terminal 4, stay on the train until the last stop, which is the rental car center. Others from our traveling party have arrived at Terminal 3, so this video will show them what it looks like to find the SkyTrain in Terminal 3. In Terminal 3, we are looking for signs to the PHX SkyTrain. We are on level 2 of Terminal 3 at Sky Harbor and heading towards the SkyTrain. We can always stop and look at the signs to ensure that we are going towards the rental car center via the SkyTrain. This is probably our longest hallway or corridor that we must travel to get to the elevators and the escalators to go up to the train. We need to go up to level 4. The elevators are to the left, but we will be taking the escalator. We will make our way up the first of 2 sets of escalators. We'll be sure to keep going up the second set of escalators up to level 4. As we continue up the escalator and continue consulting the blue signs with white lettering leading up to the SkyTrain, we will eventually see the entrance to the hallway leading us to the platform where we will board the train. And this is the entrance to the hallway leading to the Phoenix SkyTrain platform in Terminal 3. This is our last long hallway or corridor to travel down to get to the train. To get up to the train platform, we could take the elevator on the left or we could take the escalator on the right. And we'll take the escalator. And once we are on the train platform, we will consult the information pole, which tells us that the rental car center is stop number 2 and that we are to get on the train on the right side or north side of the platform. Here's a train arriving now. As we board, we may see Camelback Mountain to the north of us. So now the train has travelers who arrived at Terminal 4 and Terminal 3 on board, heading to the rental car center. As we move west on the train, we may be able to see downtown Phoenix off into the distance. The train provides 24-hour air-conditioned convenient travel from Phoenix Sky Harbor to the rental car center. The penultimate or second to the last stop before we get to the rental car center is the 24th Street parking lot. We do not want to get off at this stop. We will stay on board the train for just another minute or 2 until we arrive at the last stop, which is the rental car center. When we drop off our rental cars at the end of our trip, we will just take the trains back to the airport. The Phoenix SkyTrain is quick and efficient because it is able to pass through already existing airport infrastructure, which includes roads and highways. And here we are pulling into our final stop. Once we arrive at the rental car center, we'll get off the train and proceed towards the rental car center building. Once inside, we just need to locate our rental car company and approach its set of reception desks and check in. If you have already checked in online, you may be able to go right down to where the cars are located. When we leave or exit the rental car center with our rental car, we just follow the arrows. When we return the rental car, there will also be helpful signs guiding us to the north side of the rental car center, where our rental car company employees will guide us through the drop-off process, and we could take the Phoenix SkyTrain back to the airport. The address of the rental car center is 1805 East Sky Harbor Circle South, Phoenix, Arizona 85034.